Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 28th of August, means today. And first of all, national news. President elevated Justice Alok Aradhe and Justice Vipul Pancholi to Supreme Court. Armed forces must be prepared for longer conflicts, Rajnath Singh. IAF chief proposed Joint Planning Coordination Center in Delhi. 30 Maoists surrendered in Chhattisgarh's Bijapur. Ambala Railway Division cancelled trains amid rising water levels. Schools, colleges, universities closed in 6 Kashmir districts amid adverse weather. Telangana Assembly monsoon session to begin on August 30. And now some international news. Tokyo recorded 10th straight day above 35 degrees Celsius, sets new heat record. Russia launched massive drone strikes on Ukrainian energy infrastructure. Venezuela deployed military drones and naval vessels to patrol Caribbean coastline. Oman to launch revamped Golden Visa program on August 31. And PM Modi's Tokyo visit set to boost India-Japan strategic partnership. And now some sports news. Union Cabinet approved bid submission for Commonwealth Games 2030. India delighted to host FIDE World Cup, PM Modi. Sinquefield Cup, Pragnananda in joint lead after facile win, Gukesh loss. Swiatek wins 7th straight US Open, targeted rare Wimbledon, US Open double. Now news related to business. CBIC urge people to avoid speculation on GST rates. Additional 25% tariff imposed by US President Trump on India comes into effect. And that's all in news. Thank you.